Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Crafty Nonit. Please do subscribe to our channel if you have not yet and switch on the bell button. Today in this video I am going to make 3 masks for children's school project. The first one is fox. For this we require A4 size white sheet, orange origami, black origami sheet. Fold the sheet like this and make the fox face. In the same manner I am making it with the pencil. It is a rough sketch, so I am making it little light so that afterward I can erase it with the eraser. With a little rough idea from the cutted fox mask, cut the orange sheet for the upper part of the face. When you have cut it, paste it on the white sheet. You can see that one eye has been covered with orange part. You can erase both the eyes and make new one. Now with the help of the cutter, cut the eyes. Here you can see my mask is ready. With the help of the punch machine, make the 2 holes on both the side. And for tying part, I am using thin ribbon. You can use elastic rubber also. Make sure whenever you make mask, you should fold the sheet so that the 2 parts are equal. Here I am using pink sketch pen. You can use pink origami sheet also as per your choice. From the remaining A4 size sheet, cut this 6 thin lines, 3 on one side of the face and 3 on another side of the face.